friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Valentine's Day Mickey Mouse. So first we're going to get started with the heart frame glasses. On the left hand side we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on that point in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. We're going to leave a gap now in the center on the right. We're going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. Now as we come in towards the middle, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right on the top. And then dropping below that, we're going to replicate that as well on the bottom. Now on each side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle, replicating the shape of our heart. And then on the bottom, we're just going to continue to curve this line out towards the side on the bottom. Now from the middle, we're going to curve this line around, back in. Now let's draw our nose. So on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to bring this underneath by curving this line back around and then in on the side. And then on the top, we're just going to draw another sideways oval for the highlight. Now let's draw in the shape of our face. So we're going to start in the middle, curving this line across for the bottom of our eyes. For the right eye above, we're going to curve this line up, back down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left. In the center now, for the middle of the face, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. And then we're going to replicate that as we move this over and then down on the left. Now let's draw in the mouth. So from the corner here of both eyes, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that comes down. In the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Underneath, we're going to draw in another arch line, curving this line around, back up on the right. In the center for the tongue, curving this line across. And then we're going to replicate this on the left, bringing this out. For the chin, arching this line around, back up. And now beside our glasses, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now let's draw in the rest of the face. So we're going to start with the ears first. So coming in the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then out. We're going to come over on the left hand side in this corner, curving this line back around and then out. Now from here on the top, we're going to continue to bring this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this line around, back in on the bottom. Let's close off the top of the center of the head. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the side of the face, we're just going to curve this line down towards our cheek. And now lastly, we're just going to add some hearts around Mickey's face. So in the center, we're going to curve this line out, back in. We're going to do the same on the right. We're going to make this smaller on the top right hand side, bringing this in and then back out. We're going to do the same as we move over on the left hand side. And now let's move down on the right. We're going to draw in another heart on the right hand side. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come across on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Valentine's Mickey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.